Hello everyone, welcome to the solutions for B.STAT and BMath ISI undergraduate exam 2024. We are solving the questions one by one, whichever question gets solved first, we do that. Now we are at question 2 now, alright, although it's written question 3, I'm sorry for that. This is question 2. Alright, now this can be question 2 in the set that you have, alright, this can be any other question in a different set, alright. So please match the question and not the question number. Alright, so what is the question? It says let J be a number selected at random from 2024, right? So very stylish, but nothing different in that particular set. What is the probability that J is divisible by 9 and 15? Fine, this is a very basic question. Sometimes these type of questions are there in your board exams. Alright, so I don't think any one of you will make a mistake here. Now, how do we calculate this? We have to take the LCM of 9 and 15. What is that? That is 45. So basically you have to check how many multiples are there from 1 to 2024 of 45. How do you do that? You just divide, right? So divide 45 2024. What do you get? You get 2 180, right? 224, you get 2 again, you get 180. So this is 44, right? If only we had one more. Okay, so there are a total of, oh, I'm sorry, this is not 2, right? This is 4. So if I have a total of 44 numbers, right? If I have a total of 44 numbers divisible by 43, 45, then I would have reached 2024, okay, by leaving the remainder of 44. Okay, so that means 2025 is divisible by 45. Alright, and now I hope this is clear that we have 44 numbers here. Now if there are 44 numbers that are divisible by 45 between 1 to 224, so the probability will be just P of J, right? We will write it as probability of x equal to J, that will just be 44 by 2024. Now cancel it. I'll cancel it by 4 first, so I'll have 11 by 5 0 6. Now 506 is divisible by 11, right? Because 5 and 6 11 minus 0. So calculation by 11, I'll have 1 by 46. So this is option B. Alright. Now we have done this question. This was quite easy. If you need any help with questions like these, do contact the numbers given below. We can help you there because many other exams are coming up. CMI is coming up, PubDate is coming up, JU is coming up, etc. Alright. So this one was quite easy, and I'll see you all in the next video where we discuss the next solution. Okay, bye.